Hey, plant parents, it's the end of February here in Zone 6B, Pennsylvania, and you know what this means. Time to kick off gardening season. Even though it's still chilly outside, we're getting a head start by starting our seeds indoors. Today, we're planting a rainbow of peppers, a Cayenne, a Marconi red, a sweet bell, a California wonder, and the amazing Jimmy Nardello. I can't wait for Jimmy Nardello peppers to be ripe and for me to show you guys what they're like. Anyway, we're also starting some broccoli, some Burgundy broccoli, two Waltham broccolis, and for our tomatoes, we've got two big beef and two super sweet 100s. That's all we're planting this year. Last year, we had so many tomatoes that we didn't know what to do with them. We're gonna start canning and making tomato paste, tomato sauce. We'll have to get into it. In any case, this is all we're planting right now, and of course, a marigold to keep those pests away later on. I'm using an organic seed starting potting mix. It's light, fluffy, and perfect for delicate seedlings. And these are biodegradable pots, which is fantastic. Check this out. When it's time to transplant, all you do is pop the whole thing, the plant in the pot, right into the ground with no root disturbance. It's amazing. I tried it last year and it worked wonderfully well. Now, time to plant. I'm going to be dropping a couple of seeds per pod just in case some of them don't germinate, and then we gently cover them up. Remember, of course, to follow the instructions on your seed packets for planting depth. Now, gentle watering. We want the soil to be moist but not soaking wet. And honestly, a spray bottle is perfect for this. Finally, we put the plants under the grow lights. These will give our seedlings the light they need to grow strong and healthy. We'll keep them there, nice and cozy for the next few weeks. And then once the weather warms up and all danger of frost is past, usually around mid May here in Zone 6B, we'll transplant these little guys into our garden beds outside. Now, speaking of getting a head start, I also just ordered some strawberry roots. We're going to get the kids involved in planting those, but that's a whole other video for another day. And there you have it, our first planting of the season. It's so exciting to get things growing. Be sure to subscribe and follow along as we nurture these little seedlings and get ready for an amazing gardening year. For more gardening tips, plant-based recipes, and conscious parenting advice, visit plantparenting360.com. Happy growing, everyone.